Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to install a subdomain on a WordPress website. To create a subdomain you need to have a domain already registered and a website created on it. A subdomain is just like a normal website, but it will be used for specific purposes. For example, if you have an educational website and you want to create a subdomain for uploading training videos or other contents. So, for example, if your website is educationalblog.com, your subdomain will be trainingvideos.com.educationalblog.com. You can name it according to your requirement. In order to create a subdomain, log into your cPanel. Mine just looks like this. Yours will be according to your web hosting company. GoDaddy or HostGator has different cPanels. Now scroll down, find subdomains, click on it, give it a name. For example, I am giving it support. It will be installed on a domain which is, I have only one domain at a time at this time. It is maclectures.com. The directory will be support. Now if you go to file manager, it will be shown here, but as we haven't created it yet, so it doesn't show here. When you create it, the subdomain has been created. Go back. Now if you come here to file manager and reload the page, as you can see here, support has been created. Now the next step will be installing WordPress on this subdomain. You can also redirect it to your main domain or another website, but here in this video we are going to install WordPress on this subdomain. Go to home of cPanel and scroll down. Find quick install. In this case I have apps installer. I'll click on that. Now we need to install WordPress on our subdomain. Click on WordPress, install now. Select a domain on which you want to install your WordPress. I will select support.maclectures.com. Maclectures is my website and support is a subdomain. We will as it is. Now if you want to directly install WordPress on your subdomain, leave that empty. The site name will be anything you like, and a site description is according to your requirement. For example, my site name is Mechanical Solutions and site description is prevailing education. Now if you scroll down, you will see admin username and password, which are used to log into your subdomain dashboard. Admin, I'm already using admin, so I will choose admin username is admin1, and the password, you can generate a random password here, or you can give it according to your preference. I will enter my password. The email will be admin@support.maclectures.com. Language will be English. We don't need plugins here at the moment, so we will leave it unchecked. Now these are the themes which will be installed on your subdomain. I will select a simple theme here. You can enter an email address here where installation details will be sent. I have entered my email address. Click on install. We wait. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now administrator URL, this is where you will log in as an admin. We will open it in a new window. This is the dashboard of our website, and if you want to see how the website looks, click on visit website. Our website looks like this. This is because we have selected a simple theme and we haven't added new pages or other contents. This is by default post which comes with the theme. Now if you go back to dashboard, you can add pages here, add new. For example, I'm doing a page training. Videos, publish. A page has been created. Now in appearance, you can select themes, customize widgets, etc. There are hundreds of thousands of themes available in WordPress. Choose according to your choice. When you come to menus, create a menu, main menu, we create it, and we add training videos to it and save the menu. Now if you go to your website, here it is, training videos. You can add posts to it according to your reference. So in this video we learned how to create a subdomain in WordPress using cPanel.